Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
I know.
And the drinks are ridiculous too. That's
yeah,
amazing.
Even if you get water, it's still $35, $38, $40.
Right. Yeah.
They're fighting.
They are fighting.
Just trying to get out. Oh my God. Oh my God.
911, where's your emergency?
Race in Caraway, Arkansas. Adam, Young, Ida, 97 boy. It's a white Dodge Charger. There's a domestic at this intersection, and they are having it out. I think the Jonesboro PD unit actually just rolled up on it.
Okay.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? You're gonna fucking get smacked.
Oh my God. What are you doing? What the fuck? Oh my God.
I don't want to do it. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. No no. Give me that, give me that, give me that.
Lock the video.
Okay.
We'll be donating a 2025 Kia Telluride X-Line to a very deserving charity. No Kid Hungry.
Oh my God. Are you okay?
The emergency call cannot be made.
Are you okay?
Damn it.
Si está por cumplir 65 y es nuevo a Medicare o si se mudó recientemente, Eugenia podría tener el plan de salud que ya
Video, 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 video. Oh my God, take that. Oh,
The marine analyst working in the Marine Navigation Department for the National Imagery and Mapping Agency, or NEMA, located in Bethesda, Maryland. Now,
I'm sure there's no problem. Dude, remember Temple? You know Temple Grandin is, right?
No.
The autistic lady that helped them cattle ranchers. She's engineer. It was real TED Talk circuit kind of person.
Oh, I kind of vaguely remember now.
20 years ago, my friend was there. He goes, yeah, and she realized because she could kind of think like a cow because they'd be spooked by shadows and stuff.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.